Good afternoon. My name is James Clark. This is my data warehouse specification for We Got Kicks employee callout system. This is version 3.0. The agenda, the executive summary, introduction and problems, traceability and requirements, warehouse tables and processing slide, warehouse data, dictionary, the warehouse design, administrative tasks, and references. All right, let's get started. Okay, the introduction. We Got Kicks is a shoe chain within North Carolina. It's been around for 25 years. It currently has 15 stores throughout North Carolina area, and we're very well known for our customer service. However, sadly, a huge problem that we have is some employees may call out or may do a no-show, which puts our current employees that come into work in a farmless space where they must work harder. They may miss their lunch or work extra hours. And a lot of employees that actually work feel like they're not getting paid enough to handle all that type of work, and I understand that. One huge problem that We Got Kicks does not have is a efficient system where we're able to call other stores to see if we can be loaned another employee from a different district, or having seen whoever has training within different departments who can help where help is needed. Um, a huge problem that We Got Kicks also has is that a lot of people just do not have contact information for all the employees that work there. They cannot get the information quick. They do not have that access that most companies do have. Okay, let's go to the next slide. First, let's talk about the objectives. By the end of this project, We Got Kicks will increase employee replacement framework, improve dynamic, improve representation within the store, and also increase profit sales. So here's the traceability requirements. Quick response. Well, our goals are to have quick response from managers to employees, easy access to workers' information, allow managers to reach trained employees to come in to help different stores in the district, and let managers loan off employees to other stores, and let managers see each training for each employee. Okay, traceability / requirements continues. Usability requirements. A couple or 3 items that we have are to collect requests from employees with no problems. People find database easy to use and navigate to find the answers they need. Things are easy to complete for the managers. Some business questions you may have are, as we see right here, what's the reason for supervisors taking so long to find replacements? Do supervisors really not have a way of reaching out to employees? So we're going to fix that. Does managers call or text an employee if they're late or don't show up? A couple more questions are, why may the employee may not call out? And why can't managers also find somebody so quickly to replace the person? Next slide. Okay, here is a proposed strategic approach for the supervisor. Supervisor will give preparing to the workers to be ensured in 3 divisions of their store, meaning they will have 3 different trains within the store. Some will have training with the cashiers, a greeter, or some assistant managers, and some are overnight stockers. Each worker will be assigned a level geared towards their level of training in the department, meaning it's from 1 to 10, and particular on your number 1 position that will show you how hard you're working. Partners, data needed items. Partners superiors for substituting well-trained employees when they're needed. This data house will help We Got Kicks success plan. We Got Kicks plus success plan is to increase their profit sales to 30% by the end of the year. Okay, design constraints. Characterize primary and foreign keys in the right way, and make sure the upright and stability of the data. Meaning, make sure our data is up to date, all that good stuff. The plan is to have the database updated every week to make sure that the employee's contact information is always 100% correct. Emails, phone calls, both phone numbers, all sniffed as well. Right here is a warehouse tables/processes. Look on the left side, you see the employee name, last name, first name, address, city, state, cell phone, alternate phone, log information, availability, status, position 1, which is their main position, which we cashier, stocker, or a greeter, or flow worker. Position 2, position 3, the store number they work at, their ranking, and their traveling. Here's the warehouse dictionary. This is pretty cool to work with and design. The warehouse design, which is very nice to see that everything came together. As you can see, all the contacts, the category, substitute requests, all came out pretty good in my opinion. Okay, the administrative task. It's basically to take notes and watch the database to fix performance problems. As I said, each week we'll have a repeated database update to make sure everything's up to date, from emails, contacts, phone numbers, all that good stuff, to make sure the employees are coming in. Take care of the database to ensure everything is accurate and availability. And each month we will find ways to improve and to have upgrades when needed to existing databases. If a new employee comes in, their information should be updated that day into the system. Do not wait till the end of the day while we're doing the onboarding. Have all that work uploaded to the system. Email, phone numbers, also the 3 positions they're working at. If they need training, we'll get that training as needed. And allow roles and chances for users to be able to access data, meaning having other people, such as the managers, to access that data. Say, for instance, one store needs a loan from another person because they had a couple call-outs. They can go right into the system, pull up one of our employees' information, and they can get that loan. And think of other tasks and jobs as an administrator. Make sure you're always thinking how would you feel if you was in that person's shoes. Look out for your next person, because the teamwork makes the dream work. And the last slide on references. Thank you.